Okay, which figure in history or fiction would you most identify with?
That's a tough one. I'll have to think about that. I haven't thought about that really before, so
Superman?
not at all. Not at all. No. I really can't think of this at all.
See again, now he is already -2, huh? What is your most valuable possession?
My wife, but I think I don't possess her. I mean, she's an individual. But no, I've been very lucky, and it's so nice to have someone who is able to respect you and love you and still be friends. I think that's most important.
And so beautiful.
And very beautiful.
What would you like to be reincarnated as?
To have it really easy in life, you could be a nice bear in a sanctuary, served food on time, you don't have to hunt for it, have a cozy life.
What is your greatest achievement till date?
I'll be very honest with you, and I think you may not like this answer, but I really don't think I've achieved very much in life. I think whatever little work that I've done in my political life in the last 6-7 years, I don't think it's great achievements. I've just been very fortunate, very lucky, very blessed.
I think you're right. I don't like this answer.
Well, I still think, I don't think I've done any tremendous achievements that I can be so proud of at this point, but I'm trying, and I think that itself is very satisfying to me that
So that's your greatest achievement that you're trying to achieve?
If you want to put it like that.
What is the talent you wish you had?
I wish I could speak more languages, at least Indian languages. I can't speak very many at all.
What is your idea of perfect happiness?
For me, happiness is only there, and it's relevant if the people that you love and care about the most are happy around you.
What is the question that you would like to be asked?
There's so many people pointing fingers that, we have not done so well, and, there's so many weaknesses, and we have so much corruption, or there's dirt, infrastructure, so on and so forth. But people miss out on the larger picture that we've remained a country, we've remained a society for so long, and, 5,000 years of history, and we still have people who speak maybe hundreds of languages, but are able to communicate and remain one and democratic at the same time. And freedom of religion and speech.
Totally diverse. We've got a couch in the middle of a village. Look at this fur couch in this setting. I mean, that's India.
And the fact that you can do what you want and you can speak your mind, and there's a media that's so transparent and responsible.
I'm glad you said that.
Yeah, I think it's great to have that. I think it's a real strength for our country, and we don't sometimes say aloud a lot of these things.
Well, thank you, Sachin. It's been a delight to have you here, even though it's been extremely hot.
Yes.
There have been lots of flies, and it's been unique, but I've had a really good time. Thank you.
Thank you
very
for having me.
much.
Great. Cheers. Thank you.
On the Couch with Koel.